Alright, let's say you got a video that you already posted and you want to put a blur effect in something. Alright, so what you do is click on your video in your YouTube channel and it brings up this. Then you go to editor on the left and it opens up a new editing box. Let's say I want to blur out this everything on this book title. So I would move this to the point where I want to blur it. Let's say at like 12:01 I want to start blurring everything. So I move the pointer to that area, then I hit the plus for add blur. And I want to do a custom blur. And then you have this little blur box. You could do an oval, a square. You could actually track an object. You can fix a blurred area, blur a certain area. But I'm going to just do this everything here on the title. And I'm going to just tweak it to the point where it's really tight. And then, okay, so that's where I want to, that's my 12 o'clock position right there. I just moved the blue line over to it. And let's say I just want to go to like 1817 or something, let's say. So then I go over here and I pull this to 1817 or wherever I want to go actually. A little bit more. I mean, you could get really close to it. That's 1813, a little bit. All right, that's close enough. 1815. So then after you do that, when you run save, it'll track that location and it will blur out that area. Now it takes YouTube, depending on the video, how long it will take to track that. But you see, it's tracking it right there. Let's make it a little longer, like that long, let's say. See how it's moving the box around that word? I'm trying to find a spot where it really shows it. Like right there would have been good. All right, let's go there. See how it's moving the box as the book moves? So then we'll go back and we save it. And you save it, it's going to take a while for this to save. So you just start. It'll take a long time. Please wait. Be back later. We'll just wait it out.